Hello children, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is your Shaktivel Max teacher. Today I am going to continue chapter number 10, Conic section, exercise 10.4. 10.3 we have done already. If you are not seen that, kindly go and see in the playlist, it will be there. Now I am going to continue the 10.4. 10.4 about, it's a hyperbola, okay? Hyperbola, about hyperbola we are going to study now. Right, the question, see children, here we have, see each of the exercise 1 to 10, find the coordinates of the foci and vertices and eccentricity and length of lattice rectum of the hyperbola. They mention very clearly, but we need to find before going focus, vertices, eccentricity and length of lattice rectum, what is A value, what is B value, and it's about what axis, either about its x-axis or about y-axis, we have to identify, okay. See, if which is in positive, that is our axis. See, x is in positive, so that is then given equation is about x-axis. Like that only you want to identify here. Now, here what is that? X square by 16 is in positive place, so that we have to say it is about x-axis. Okay, right. So this is about x-axis. The reason is x square by 16 is in positive, or else x square by 16 is greater than 0 also you can give. If you want to give x square by 16 is greater than 0, it means it is positive. Understand? To mention it is positive, we can say like that. Now, this is in the form of, what is that? X square by a square minus y square by b square, which is equal to 1. When you compare the given one and the equation, what is the general form of the hyperbola, that when you compare, you will be getting the a square value, a square equal to 16 and b square equal to 9, means x square by a square in the sense, like that x square by 16. So instead of a square, there is a 16, so a square is 16. Like that minus y square by b square, here also minus y square by 9. So instead of b square, we have a 9, so a square is 16, b square is a 9. Like that we are completing. Understand children? So we can able to find a value. So a value is plus or minus 4. After sending the square opposite, you will be getting root. Square root of 16, you will be getting plus or minus 4. Same manner here, you will be getting plus or minus 3. Okay, square root of 9 is plus or minus 3 you will be getting. After completing this, we will find a C value, or else based on A, B, what all we can able to find, that you complete. Okay, we can complete the vertices. So vertices, I'm going to find. Vertices is, it's about x-axis, I'm right. It's about x-axis, then plus or minus, what is A only we have to take. Okay, A only we have to take. Always we have to take about x-axis. X bottom, what we have the value? 16. Then 16 root value is what? 4. Plus or minus 4 comma is our required vertices. See, there is a B value also. B value, no need to consider. It's about what I said. B is conjugate axis. Okay, it's about conjugate axis. No need to consider about it. Here we have to consider about only the positive place which we have, that is our required vertices. Okay, vertices is over. Then I'm going to the eccentricity. We need a C. Length of lattice rectum we can find. Okay, so length of lattice rectum. So length of lattice rectum we can find. What is the formula? 2b square divided by a square. Okay, A. A. Okay, very good. So 2b square by a. What is the b square, children? 2 into 9 divided by a value 4. See, it's about length. Length in the sense we should give positive. Understand? One time how many time? 2 times. So I'm getting 9 divided by 2 is my length of lattice rectum. Vertices is over. Then what we need, children? Foci and eccentricity. For both which we need C value we need. So C value we have to find first. We have a formula for finding C. C is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Okay, which equal to square root of a square value we have here 16 and b square value we have here 9. When you add both, what I am getting? 25, which equal to 5. When you take what is that root, you can write plus or minus. Understand? Then foci, what you will be getting, children? Foci, that is okay, equal to plus or minus 5 comma 0. We can complete plus or minus 5 comma 0 because it's about x-axis. X-axis means the value we need to give in the x place, y will be 0. Because any point on x axis, y will be 0. Okay. So that I have given like that. Then eccentricity equal to c divided by a. C divided by a. C value we have a 5 plus or minus 5 or 5 you give, and a value we have here 4. So eccentricity is 5 by 4. I told you that one time, what is that, hyperbola is greater than 1. Okay. See, a circle means, here we know circle which equal to 0, and a parabola e equal to 1, and ellipse less than 1, and hyperbola greater than 1. What, my dear? Greater than 1. It's very important. Circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. This is very important. So based on that we can identify. No need to mention here. Just you know it enough. Okay. Question number 1 is over. I hope everything we have done. Am I right, children? Shall we go to next ma? If you want to draw what is the diagram, you can draw it. You can draw the general diagram. You can draw. Okay. Focus F1. It's a C comma 0. F2, what is that? Minus C comma 0. And vertices here A comma 0. And here you will be getting minus A comma 0. Okay. Lattice rectum, where it will come? This is our length of lattice rectum. LR. Length of lattice rectum. If you want to draw general figure, you can draw. Clear? Right. Now I'm going to one more question, children. Okay. That's it, children. For question number 1 is over. Now we are going question number 2. Question number 2 is what? Y square by 9 minus x square by 27 equal to 1. See here, y square by 9 is in positive. Have you noticed it, children? So, yeah, very good. It's about y axis. Okay. Yeah. So, this is about y axis. This is about y axis. The reason is y square by 9 is greater than 0. Y square by 9 is greater than 0. So it's about a y-axis. So the formula how you will be getting. So this is in the what? Form of y square divided by a square minus x square divided by b square, which equal to when? 1. Then compare the both. Then what I am getting? A square equal to 9 and b square equal to 27. Then a equal to what you will be getting, children? Plus or minus 3. When you square when you send opposite, you will be getting root 9. Then root 9 equal to plus or minus 3. Like that, here when you take a root, you will be getting plus or minus root 27. Okay, 27 we can write that 9 into 3, which equal to 9. We have a root plus or minus 3 root 3. You can stop like that. Not a problem. Now a value, b value we got it. We'll find the vertices. Okay. So vertices, this is about y-axis, I'm right. I mean 9 is the our required a value. So a value after taking root we have plus or minus 3. So 0 comma plus or minus 3 because it's about y-axis. Okay. And next length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. Right. This is 2b square divided by a, which is equal to 2 times b square. We have a 27 divided by 9 is a 3. So we can cancel this sum, right? 1 time how many time? 9 time we can cancel, which equal to 9 2s are 18. So length of lattice rectum is 18 units or 18 you can complete. Next we are going to find a C, because before going eccentricity or foci we need a C value, right? So C value before going the formula a square plus b square I'm using here. Okay. So what is my a square, children? A square is 9 and b square is 27. When you add both, what I am getting? 36. 36 equal to plus or minus 6. That's it. Is it understand, children? After getting C value, very easily you can find what is that? The foci. The foci, it's about y-axis they said, then 0 comma. Okay, 0 comma plus or minus 6. And what is that? Eccentricity, C divided by A equal to C value 6. A value we have as 3. 1 3s are, how many 3s are? 2 times. Then I am getting my answer as a 2. That's it, children. We got it? Okay. Okay, next question, number 4. Question number 4. 16x square minus 9y square equal to 576. So we have to find vertices. Foci, already we have seen what we have to find. The same thing I'm going to do here. First, the equation must be equal to 1, right? So it is not in the form of x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So that I'm going to in the form of the standard one. Means equal to 1 I'm going to make. So equal to 1, if you need, what I'm going to do here? I want to divide by the same number which I have equal to there. Okay. So equal opposite I have 576. So I'm going to divide it by 576 on both sides. So what I'm getting 16x square by 576 minus 9y square divided by 576, which equal to 576 divided by 576. That's it. Now it is possible to cancel. We have to cancel it. Okay. Now 116, how many 16 it's coming, children? 36 Raja. 36 time. And 19, then how many time here? 19, how many time? How many? 64. And this will be 1 and 1. Okay. Now we'll be going. So x square divided by 36 minus, what is that? Y square divided by 64, which equal to 1. That's it, is our required. See children, the x value is in positive. Am I right? If it is in positive, it's about x axis. Am I right? So we have only 2 here, about x axis, about y axis. So x value about positive, it's about x axis, I told you. So what is that? It's about x axis, because x square divided by 36 is greater than 0. So that I am telling it's about x axis. One more thing, this is in the form of, this is in the form of x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square, which equal to 1. Which equal to 1. This I'm using. Just you compare the which we got in the formula, then you will be getting the a square equal to 36 and b square equal to 64 and a equal to square root of 36 means what is the root value after taking? Yeah, plus or minus 6, and here you will be getting plus or minus 8 you will be getting. Okay. These two things we are getting for a and b. What all we need to find, children? Vertices we have to find. Okay, first vertices let me complete. First let me complete vertices. So vertices we know it's about x-axis. X-axis in the sense that what is that x square down what we have 36 root value 6, no, that is our required. So plus or minus 6 comma 0. That's it. This is our required. What is that vertices? And the length of latest rectum also we have to find. So what is that? Length of latest rectum. Length of latest rectum, which equal to 2 times b square divided by a, not a square, a, which equal to 2 times b square. B square value 64 divided by a value we have as a 6. Now you can cancel whatever it's possible, just to do it. And here 1 time, how many time? 3. 3 and 64 not possible to cancel. Have you noticed it, children? So that our length of latest rectum is what? 64 divided by 3 units. That's it. Now we have to find foci and eccentricity. Am I right? For finding foci and eccentricity, which is required, children, C value need. Okay, the C value. We have the formula for finding the C value. What is the C value formula? Do you remember? C value equal to square root of a square plus b square, which equal to square root of a square is 36 plus a b square value is 64. When you add both, what I'm getting, children? 100. 100 root value is what? 10. Plus or minus 10 or 10. Just to mention. Let me write in the here. C is equal to what I'm getting? Plus or minus 10. Okay. This is the C value. By using that, we have to find the foci. So the foci or foci. It is about x-axis, right? Then C comma 0. C value is what? Plus or minus 10 comma 0. This is a foci. And eccentricity E value C divided by A, C value is a 10 and A value is a 6. So after cancel, what I'm getting? 5 times, this will be 3 times. 5 twos are 3 twos are, which equal to 5 divided by 3. That's it. Is our required answer for the fourth one. I hope you understood this. Is it okay, children? Can I go to next? Next question number 6 we are moving on. Sixth one, 49y square minus 16x square which equal to 784 we have, and this also it's not in the standard form, so we have to make it in the standard. Okay, it means equal to 1 we have to make it. Equal to after what we have 784, so I'm going to divide on both side by 784. So when I'm divide 784 on both side, what I'm getting? 49y square divided by 784 minus 16x square divided by 784 which equal to 784 divided by 784. We have to cancel this. So this is one time. Children, this is one time. How many time? 49. Then this will be one time 16. Alright? Okay. Now we are moving on this. So what I'm getting? Y square divided by 16 minus x square divided by 49 which equal to 1. So in positive, which axis we have, children? Y square by 16. Then this is about what actually? Y axis. Okay. So this is about, yes, y axis means what is that? Y square by 16 is greater than 0. So children, in the previous, if you want to draw diagram, you can draw. It's about x-axis in the sense. Diagram will come like this, right? Like this. Okay, the focus is minus c comma 0. Here the focus is plus c comma 0. The vertex a comma 0. And this will be minus a comma 0. These things you can mention. Generally, if you want to mention, you can mention like that. Now here, this is in the form. This is in the form of, what is that? Y square. Okay, y square divided by a square minus x square divided by b square equal to 1. So which is the measure that I am giving in the a. Okay, because no need to change the formula. That is what. Okay, so as it is going on, when you compare that, what I am getting, a square equal to 16 and b square equal to 49 I am getting. When I am finding a value, I am getting plus or minus 4, and b value when I am finding plus or minus 7. Understand? So a value, b value I have. By using a value, b value, what all we can find? Vertices, lattice rectum, and that's it. Foci we need to see, my dear. So length of lattice rectum and vertices will go. First vertices let me complete. So vertices we have to complete the form. It's about y-axis. Y-axis in the sense 0, comma we have to write. It's important. So 0, comma a value is what? Plus or minus 4. Because under the y we have a 16 root value is 4. That you have to give here. And length of lattice rectum. Okay, length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum equal to, what is that? 2b square divided by a which equal to 2 times, what is the b square? 49 divided by a value is 4. So we can cancel this, right? 1 time, how many time? 2 time. 2 and 49 not possible to cancel. Then leave it as it is. So what I am getting? 49 divided by 2 is our required length of lattice rectum. Then we have to find foci and eccentricity. Okay. For both eccentricity and foci, we need a c value. So first let me find the c value first. Then we have a formula for finding the c, which equal to square root of a square plus b square, which equals a square is 16 here and b square is 49. I am going to substitute there. So 16 plus 49, what I am getting? Sorry. What I am getting? Root 65. 65, it's not a perfect square. Then let it be as it is. Don't do it anything. That is our c value. Then foci, root in the sense you can give plus or minus. Okay. Then foci is our 0, comma plus or minus root 65. Because plus or minus on both sides we can give them, right? So I'm giving plus or minus And one more thing, they asked to find eccentricity C divided by A, which equal to C value root 65 divided by A value is a 4. So 4 and root 65 not possible to eliminate after you take conjugate also. Then let it be as it is, leave it. Don't do anything. So that is our eccentricity, foci, length of lattice rectum and vertices. It's over. Is it okay, children? Can I go one more? Huh? Right. Shall we go? We are going, Yukesh. Listen. Okay, so each of the, what is that? In each of the following exercise 7 to 15. 7 to 15 is a unique model here. Find the equation of the hyperbola for satisfying the given condition. Just equation alone they are asking to find. So it's very easy only. By the given we can go. First one, seventh one, let me take. Seventh one, vertices is given. Children, vertices in the sense, what is the value that is? In vertices, what we are using in the vertices? Yeah, A value we are using. Okay, A value we are using. Vertices, by using the vertices we can identify it, whether it lies in the x-axis or y-axis. It means about x-axis or about y-axis we can find. The vertices on the y coordinate, x coordinate 0, y coordinate there is some value, it's about y-axis. Like that, the previous one you can identify x coordinate some value, y coordinate 0 means it's about x-axis. Like that, in the given vertices, y value is 0, x is some number. Then it's about what actually? X-axis, okay. So even foci also they are given. So foci plus or minus 3, 0. Then this is about x-axis, okay. Then this is about x-axis. Means the diagram you know is how it will be coming. So x-axis means like this. Understand? Right. And yeah, so from the vertices we can find what is the A value. So here A value equal to plus or minus 2 and C value equal to plus or minus, what is that? 3, because focus is C comma 0, right? General form of the focus, do you remember, children? Focus is C comma 0. So focus I'm using, and vertex we knows that vertex in the sense even minus a comma 0 this side, and here you will be getting plus a comma 0. Like that, focus here you will be getting minus c comma 0. This will be focus 1. This will be focus 2. By using that, you will be getting what is a value, what is c value. Okay. So I got that a value and c value. By using that, we can find very easily the b value. Am I right? Because we have a formula. So what is the formula? We know the formula, and what is that? C square equal to a square plus b square. This we have, children. By using that, I can able to find a b value. After getting b value, very easily we can find the equation which we need, because the formula is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 when it's about x-axis. Okay. So a square and b square we need. Here we have a value. When you square, you will be getting a square, not a problem. The very important thing, we have to find a b square. Means b value we need, or b square direct enough. Okay. So c value they are given that 9, a value they are given that 2 square is 4 plus b square. When you send this opposite, 9 minus 4 which equal to b square. When you take, when I subtract this, what I am getting? 5 equal to b square. No need to find b, just stop with the b square, because they didn't ask to find any, what is that, lattice rectum or something else. We don't need a b value. Okay, even just b is enough, b square is enough. So I'm going with this. So therefore, it's about x-axis. Then the formula, the equation or general form, anything you just write equation of hyperbola. Okay, equation of hyperbola about x-axis. Okay, this is about x-axis, children. And what is that? X square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square, which is equal to 1. So x square, what I am getting? X square divided by a square. A value 2 square value is 4, minus y square divided by b square value we have here 5, which is equal to 1. That's still, children. Is that our required? Is that our required? Is it okay? It's very simple only. No? Am I right? Yes. One more. Shall we go? Or can you complete? Can you take as a homework? I will do it. Remaining terms you people take homework better, because in this model we have a lot of question in this Romanum, right? In this exercise. So I'm doing 7th one here, children. 7th one. Eighth one I'm doing. So vertices they are given that 0, plus or minus 5, and foci They mentioned it 0 comma plus or minus 8. Have you noticed it? X coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 0. It's about then what? Y axis. Okay, so this is about y axis. Okay, so this is about y axis. Then here, what is that? A value I'm getting plus or minus 5 and the C value plus or minus 8. It's about y axis. Then the diagram will be coming like this. It will be coming like this, and required f1 is here. So f1 in the sense 0 comma C. The vertices will be 0 comma A. The vertices here it will be 0 comma minus A. The focus 2 it will be 0 comma minus C. That's it. By using the general thing you can identify what is AC. When you compare this and that you will be getting what is A and C. That is I mentioned there. And I'm going to find the C value. Okay. So C value we have a formula. What is that? C square equal to A square plus B square. C value 8 square 64 and A value 5 then 25 plus B square. Then 64 minus 25 which equal to I'm getting B square. When you subtract each what I'm getting? What? 39. 39 equal to B square. So B square let it be. Don't take root anything. Let it be as it is. Okay. We need an equation of, right? So equation of hyperbola. So equation of hyperbola about y-axis. Okay. So what is that? About y-axis means y will be in positive. Okay. Y square minus y square by a square minus x square by b square equal to 1. So here y square divided by a square value of 5 square 25. So a square is 25 minus x square divided by b square is 39. It's equal to 1. Check the book bag as children. Have you got it? Okay. Have you got it? That's it, children.